Today, I have an opportunity to have a small conversation about the entrepreneur journey of Miss Nisha Lamba, who is the founder and director of Nisha's French Classes. Her passion as an educator to create difference for 14 years has given fruitful results to her budding entrepreneurs, to students, to teens. Her gift of educating languages with ease and difference has yielded some of her fruitful achievements in her field. She's proud recipient of Best French Classes in Mumbai, highest contribution to ancient education, promising educator with excellent in French classes for 2021.
Thank you, Ms. For having me here on this conversation.
Promising education. Could you throw on your venture? Could you throw light on your venture?
Yes, our venture Nisha's French Classes is a 14-year-old venture. We started way back in 2006.
Could you throw light on your venture?
Yes, our venture Nisha's French Classes is a 14-year-old venture. We started way back in 2006 and 7. Officially, we have been working on this venture for 12 years. 2 years, we were not on inception with it. We started as a small home-based classes where, we were just catering to very few people around us. And I started as helping my family who were entrepreneurs and educators. So it all started with that. And then that time I was working with corporates. I was working with HDFC and Kotak, and I took a sabbatical. And in that sabbatical, I pursued French language as my hobby. Way back in 2007 and 8, there was not much awareness about language education. So as a hobby, when I started studying, I started assisting a few of my friends and their kids in this language and helping them, because the concept of international schools was very new at that time. And the conceptual learning was something which was not really understood by common people. And since I have a very different way of understanding and explaining it, because I give more emphasis, our venture gives more emphasis on conceptual learning rather than rote learning, it created a major difference. There were year on year, we had people who wanted to study with us languages as a part of curriculum, as a part of hobby, and we were able to deliver results. We have in past 6 years, academically, we have all India toppers, all India Olympiad toppers. So the venture started as an accident, but started growing leaps and bounds over that.
What inspired you for this entrepreneur journey?
Inspiration is many. I inspire a lot as my own mom. My very few people can say this, but I inspire my mother-in-law also, because they have been very strong women, very strong entrepreneur women who have left the taboos of the taboos where women are considered to be sitting home, and they were entrepreneurs. When I was as a child, I saw my mother being an entrepreneur, I saw my mother-in-law being an entrepreneur. So they are very strong figures in my life who always wanted me, who always inspired me to be an entrepreneur. And then my own zeal to achieve success was something, my own zeal. I wanted to be an entrepreneur right since I was a child. I always wanted to create something that touched the lives of people. And what better than being an educator?
What's the use of your brand?
The USP of my brand, Nisha's French Classes, the USP is that people who study with us never leave learning the language. We develop the love for the language. We make sure that they continue their journey, and we hold them till they are successful in their ventures. Let it be an entrepreneur venture, or let it be an professional venture where they wanted to get a certain jobs. Today, I can proudly say that my students are working at very good positions. Let it be NASA, let it be. I have students who are scientists, space scientists, and US, and then I have students who have their own successful ventures, who are teachers. I have students with Indian Navy. So I'm very proud, and the USP of Nisha's French classes was always that we create individuals to be global citizens, and that is what we are here for, creating global citizens, educating them right from teenage to a growing age where they understand the importance that how language would make them a global citizen.
Wonderful. What inspired you to come up with this concept?
The inspiration that education is growing leaps and bounds. I never thought when I started this journey that languages played such an important role. Because our venture started with a small home-based setup. I never ever thought that time that languages were so important. It's only over a period of time when I started realizing, researching, and doing studying higher, I realized that they really played, especially a foreign language with French. It played a very important role. Today, while researching, I realized that the Indian Olympic Association, the International Court of Justice, your African countries, your World Health Organization, then your International Red Cross, all of them have French as their second language, which is very important. If you have a foreign language, and especially a European foreign language, it would add up to your curriculum vitae. It will add up to your resume, and it gives you better opportunities. Was what it started inspiring me to teach the youth, to teach the teen an additional language. And in pandemic, I even realized that it started releasing the stress that students were having, because studying an additional language always added to do something new. In fact, the USP even has us, we have been training people, the special needs children, with language therapy, where we divert them to languages, and there is how we get their growth to the next level. So in our way, we are touching lives of few people over here around.
Wow. Do you think entrepreneurship is challenging?
Definitely. It's a roller coaster ride. Entrepreneurship is a roller coaster ride. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, sometimes you're here, sometimes you're there. So when you start your venture, you start it with a different perspective, and you land up with a different perspective. For me, I would like to share positivity about the entrepreneurship journey. I never started with the thought that I would be here today in 14 years. I always thought that, okay, let's take one step at a time, because that time we didn't have this online medium where we got so much of exposure to understanding so many things. So it was a small venture which started with small things, and expansion started happening. We started with home based teaching. Then our center, we had a Chembur center where we had a few students, and then the Chembur center gave us another opportunity to go to Ghatkopar, which are the center number 2, and then center number 3. And today we are catering to students all over the world. You can because online medium has expanded your horizons. So today we have entire world where we can teach. We are catering to students. They can take benefit of our methods of teaching. So entrepreneurship journey is challenging, but with time management, with your zeal to succeed, and to understand what you want to do, is very important. It will not be very challenging if you can, and create a support system for yourself. It's very important. You need to create a support system. You need to understand. You have to make talk to people around you that why your journey is very important, why your venture is very important for you. It would always give you that feeling of satisfaction. Yeah.
That is great. Any advice for your budding entrepreneurs?
To the budding entrepreneurs, I would always request, please do not lose hope. At this moment of crisis, we all are sailing in the same boat. It may be situation where our, especially female entrepreneurs, we go through very tough time, because we try to strike a work balance, venture balance, family balance. Please, if you're multitasking too much, set a goal, set a time, put yourself on to-do list, make use of all the technology that is there, block timings, do so much. There's so much available. Plus, please do not give up, because it can take, you can take a back seat, take it on a slower pace. But please do not give up on your dreams, because they are the major source of your existence, and they will give you a hope that, you know, I exist. Please do not give up. Please do not stop thinking. You will always succeed, because the dictionary word which I always started with my life is impossible does not exist. I am possible. Maybe it may take some time, but it is possible. Just be calm, be composed, and the entrepreneurship journey would definitely take you to the next level. Yes.
Thank you so much for your guidance. I, as a woman myself, has received so much inspiration from you, and now I know what and how to do as a young entrepreneur myself.
Thank you. Thanks for your time, and thanks for your patience. Have a good day.
Same to you.